Did you know that the story you tell yourself and others is your idea of success or failure? It determines whether you will succeed or fail in your endeavors. 16 nails are lying on the table. The 17th nail is balanced and suspended on the anchored nail, which is the 18th nail of the bundle. Can you carry the balanced and suspended nail from one table to the other without this nail falling down? Afterwards, can you balance and suspend all 17 nails simultaneously on the head of the 18th nail as indicated by one balanced and suspended nail without binding all 17 nails all together? And carry all the balanced and suspended nails to the next table without a single nail falling down. Welcome to Donald Mafumani YouTube channel. This channel is about education, training, coaching and mentoring for our personal development and growth on will to do. Will to do is effort, willpower and focus to reach out for a vision, dream or desire. The hardwired challenge, as discussed earlier. Do you tell yourself that you can balance and suspend 17 nails on one anchored nail? Or do you tell others that you can't balance and suspend 17 nails on one anchored nail? Effort, willpower, and focus. Let's feed our eyes for only 3 minutes. Will to do is effort, willpower, and focus to reach out for a vision, dream, or desire. Let's demonstrate that here. 18 nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 nails. Now, my vision, dream, or desire. My vision, dream, or desire is to place or balance one nail. And the whole structure from here, here, without this nail falling down. Got it? Now, even more difficult now. Even more difficult. This time, my vision, dream, or desire is to balance all of these 17 nails here. Remember, 18 more. All of these 17 nails here on top of this nail, and then use the whole structure for one nail. Let's see how it happens. If it is going to happen at all. Effort. I'm exerting effort. Remember, will to do is effort, willpower, and focus to reach out for a vision, dream, or desire. This is effort. I'm exerting here. Effort. I'm exerting a lot of effort. Really. Effort. Effort. Really. Effort. Effort. focus. Done it! Done it!
If you tell yourself that you can do it, indeed you will do it. But if you tell others that you can't do it, then indeed you can't do it. The story you tell yourself and others is your idea of success or failure. In this book titled Will to Do, Library of Success Wisdom, find what you can do to find what you seek. You will find a whole lot of will-to-do nuggets in this book, including the one I've just demonstrated. The book is sold by print on demand and fulfilled by Take a Lord, who delivers the book to you within the borders of South Africa. Some people put mental blocks and limiting beliefs ahead of their vision, dream, or desire, and as a result, they fail to take off from the ground and fly. The power of your words. Your words have the power to build and give you life, or tear and bring you down. The words you speak can inspire and encourage others, while in the same sentence, deflate and discourage them. The story you tell yourself and others is your idea of success or failure. The star points to a vision, dream, or desire. Take note, the highest point in a mountain is a peak, and the highest point in you is your head. It is an uphill struggle to reach out for a vision, dream, or desire. To ensure we are on the same page or speak the same language, let's revisit these words of wisdom for their meaning. Vision, dream, and desire. Vision is the ability to think about or plan the future with imagination or wisdom. Dream is a cherished aspiration or ambition or ideal. Desire is a strong feeling of wanting to have something or wishing for something to happen. For the road which leads to the peak of a mountain, Lao Tzu, the Chinese philosopher, says, open quote, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step," end quote. Indeed, the road to your vision. An eagle is indeed the king or queen of the skies. It hunts from a vantage point, always eats fresh meat, and leaves the rest for the jackdaws. We can learn 4 things from an eagle. 1, we can learn about purpose. 2, excuse me, we can learn about effort. 3, we can learn about willpower. And 4, we can learn about focus. Once again, to ensure that we are on the same page or speak the same language, let's revisit these words of wisdom for their meaning. Purpose is a sense of resolve or determination. Effort is a vigorous or determined attempt. Willpower is control exerted to do something or restrain impulses. Focus is a center of interest or activity. In terms of my philosophy, will to do is effort, willpower, and focus to reach out for a vision, dream, or desire. Effort, willpower, and focus are inspired by the star of will to do. A starving eagle is propelled by hunger to fly higher than any other birds, and while in the sky, it looks out for a vantage point from where to focus and pounce on prey. It always eats fresh meat and leaves the rest for the jackdaws. Vision, dream, or desire is not a pie in the sky. The story you tell yourself and others is your idea of success or failure. This type of stone monument was created in ancient times, about 2500 BC. These monuments were used to commemorate the dead and may also have acted as centers for various ceremonies. Indeed, great effort, willpower, and focus can be ascertained from the erection of this humongous structure. In this video, this stone monument portrays a starving eagle ready to take off to the sky in search of prey. Remember, an eagle is considered king or queen of the skies. It hunts from a vantage point, always eats fresh meat, and leaves the rest for the jackdaws. If an eagle can fly with its prey, which is much larger than its body in the sky, I also wonder how young boys can do gumboot dance with heavy-duty gumboots such as these ones. You too can do miracles if you believe in your vision, dream, or desire. Remember, the story you tell yourself and others is your idea of success or failure. This video is number 67 in the series. Number 67 also marks 67 minutes of volunteering to do community work on Nelson Mandela International Day, which symbolically represents the number of years Nelson Mandela fought for human rights and the abolition of apartheid in South Africa. This is the success story which Nelson Mandela told himself and others for 67 years. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.